Detailed tutorial how to make fashion clutch bag. The name of this bag is called Shirt Fashion Clutch. I made it 2023. I'm going to show you how this bag was made from the scratch measurement to the finishing. Do not panic if you don't have the cylinder bed sewing machine. You can use your flat bed sewing machine, including the Blackhead domestic or the manual sewing machine. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget my name is High Level of Grace HLG. This video may be a little bit longer, so please get a chair. Do not rush. You have to sit down and then listen to this video, the voice from the beginning to the end, so you don't miss any detail. I made this bag and gift it out to someone. Okay, yes, this is the process. As you can see here, I was testing this black tie to see if it's gonna fit in, but I didn't use it at the end of the day. This is the black version of the bag. It was made in different colors. Okay, yes, so you can use this is the best recommended materials, anything related to mirror face. Okay, even though I made this particular white one, this is not a mirror face material, but you have to use good quality leather. This is a genuine leather. Sorry, this is a fiance leather. Yes, what I use here is a fiance leather. So people call it microfibers. Okay, yes. So also in this very place, I was testing this butterfly necktie to see if it's gonna fit in. This is the pink version of the bag. So which color do you like among all the colors? The black, the red, the white, and the pink. Which one do you go for? This is the training class, the master's class. I am not a public tutor. I don't teach on YouTube. My YouTube channel is mostly used for my adverts. You have to message me, come to WhatsApp, message me on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you the content. I have over 50 different designs, including this particular bag in the training class. You have to make payment before you be added to the training class to access the videos step by step to the finishing. Okay, whatever you see on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook, my TikTok is purely advert. The actual tutorials are private, only for those who pay for it. We have over 2,000 online registered students in Africa and other countries. Message me on WhatsApp to join the training class. It is always active. You can commence to practice your training at any time. All right, yes, there is no a particular time for the training because the videos are always there and we always drop updates. You can ask us questions at any time. You can call us. So please message me on WhatsApp to get started.